Welcome in, guys. As I told you, I'm going to be definitely giving you tours of those properties here in the Lone Star State. And here we are today at an affordable custom container home. Guys, I know you all have heard all of the raves. People all over the place are now building homes out of shipping containers. Well, we're in one by Affordable Custom Containers. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So we're going to go check this one out right now. Come on. So you come in, you're right here in the kitchen. Look at this, guys. It is a full-size kitchen in here. Full appliances. Of course, we're at the blue tape stage, so just don't mind us. But we got washer, dryer here, full-size stove, and microwave. And what a lot of people don't realize is that tiny living in shipping containers doesn't necessarily have to be completely tiny. This one, as I stated, is a custom build home here. So we've got soft close cabinets. You see that? I'm not going to let y'all see what's going on. Custom backsplashes. And if you all notice, we're at the blue tape phase. So we're excited about that one. Come on, let's go here. We're getting ready to go to, this is the primary area. So we've got, custom bathroom. Look at that big shower, guys. Storage. Who says you can't have storage in a custom container? Plenty of storage here as well, and an oversized shower. So next I'm going to take you into the primary bedroom. So this is primary bedroom, and this one is actually big enough to put a queen size bed in, guys. Next, we're going to go into our closet. So nice size custom closet. And let me take you across. Living area here. Another big, beautiful bathroom. And guess what we have? Washer, dryer, stackable, guys. So I'm going to take you on one more. We've got another bedroom over here. And more storage here as well. All right. Now, one of the other things that I'm excited about in this property is you already saw that there's a deck on the front. We have a wraparound deck, guys. Let me see if I can sneak outside and show y'all a little bit of the work. This one is a double decker, so you see part of it. Since it's raining outside, we're not going to go the entire way, but it is a double decker out here. And this one is about 90% finished. They still have a little bit more to go. As you see, they've already done the blue tape phase. Blue tape phase simply means the final touches. There may be just some little nooks and crannies, of course, when you're moving and building and things of that nature. There can be some little small kinks and things that are there in the properties. And so the builder's going to come back and finish up little minor touches and things that may have happened in the process of them building and completing the finished product. But this is it. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom custom container that was built for one of their clients. And this is absolutely amazing. So we're a little less than 1,000 square feet on this one, I believe. So guys, if you're interested in starting your journey to home ownership, be it in an affordable custom container just like this one, definitely reach out to me below. I have all of my contact information there. And if you're interested in coming to tour another affordable custom container home, I'll have a link in the description box for you below. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe because I'll be back with more tours of properties here in the Lone Star State. So until next time, guys, have an abundantly blessed and powerful day. Bye.